This morning you picked coffee over tea. You scrolled past one video but clicked on this one. Maybe you even decided to wear black instead of blue. All little choices, right? Well, what if I told you they weren't choices at all? In the quantum realm, particles behave in ways that make your drunk uncle look predictable. Einstein wasn't a fan of this randomness, famously grumbling about God not playing dice. But what if the game was rigged from the start? Enter Superdeterminism, a theory suggesting that everything from the spin of an electron to your decision to put sugar in your coffee this morning was preordained since the beginning of time. Physicist Sabine Hossenfelder argues that superdeterminism could demystify quantum mechanics without resorting to spooky action at a distance. Essentially, the universe isn't random. It only looks that way because we're missing a bigger underlying pattern. But here's the kicker. If our choices are just part of this cosmic script, then free will, as we understand it, really takes a hit, doesn't it? Physicists warn that if superdeterminism is true, it could undermine the very foundation of science. Why? Because science relies on falsifiability, the ability to test and disprove ideas. If everything is predetermined, then even our experiments and observations were always going to turn out the way they did. Critics reckon that superdeterminism is just a lazy way to explain quantum weirdness, like blaming everything on fate instead of working out the details. But if it's real, it means every random event, every so-called choice that you make was always meant to happen. So next time you think you're making a spontaneous decision, remember, maybe the universe had it penciled in since the dawn of time, and free will? Maybe that's just an illusion.